I had my front yard. I didn't even have no space to grow. So like my front yard, I like started this garden. And everybody in the neighborhood was like, yo, this is amazing. I was like getting all this attention, but I really wasn't looking for that. I was just like, trying to find something to eat, like seriously. So how did this relate to me starting a business? Start economically. Or you can start with the health. That's another big way to get people, like a lot of people are going vegetarian or vegan or something, some combination, pescatarian and all of these things. They're searching just like I was, because everything that you take in you, like that book says, should be medicine. Not talking about just food, but anything that enters your consciousness, your body, should be considered medicine on some kind of scale. The things that I was feeling, I wanted him to feel it, I wanted you to feel it, I wanted him to feel it. I didn't know how to give that to other people. How did I do this and where do I start? So, the concept became, we start at kids, because kids are the most vulnerable and they need to grow into these concepts. But then I was like, well, the parents take care of the kids. So I kind of need a combination of the both. The concept became, and it's manifested, has been trying to talk on charitable organizations, schools, churches, any group that's willing or open to these types of concepts. I can go a lot deeper into my, personal vision and philosophy, but that's kind of like just the